welcome back to Vlogmas Day 23. Today we are planning Christmas week. Yay! And since this week is a little bit calmer, it's between the holidays, things are a bit more relaxed, you probably don't have as many tasks on your to-do list as you do in other weeks. I know that I don't. We're visiting, we're with family, so things are a lot calmer. I'm going to give you some ideas today of what you can plan for your Christmas week. What about making a note of the photos that you want to take? Maybe there's family that's coming from far away, people that you don't see other times of the year. Make sure that you have a list of different photos of the different people, different combinations of people together that you want to take. Keep it in your planner, keep it in your pocket, and look at it often to make sure that you're getting the photos so that you have the memories that you want to keep. Also schedule in maybe some alone-ish time with people that you don't see very often. Spend some time with them, chatting, catching up, and really connecting. Also schedule in time for yourself, especially if you're an introvert and you're visiting with a lot of people. You may want some time away to yourself just to sort of re-energize after all the visiting and chatting and people, right? Yeah. You could also schedule in time for cuddles, crafts, stories with children, either your own children, grandchildren, nieces, nephews, children that are close to you. I also like to schedule in time to just sit in front of the fire to read or to knit or just simply sit there with a cup of eggnog. I mentioned this in my self-care video, so I'll link that here. You can also reflect on your one little word. If you haven't figured out what your one little word is, you can think about that. You can also schedule in time to write out your resolutions for 2019. It's also a good time to catch up with or rewatch Plan Your Year 2019. So I'll link that playlist up here, and that will help you get ready for 2019 and also help you come up with resolutions for next year. And last, you can review your 2018 because reviewing is the first step towards making goals for next year. Make sure you come back on New Year's Eve because I have a video specifically for reviewing your 2018, and it's a really fun one. I get you to do something a little bit out of the ordinary. So make sure you're subscribed, you have that notification bell turned on so that you know when that video comes out. Have a fantastic Christmas week and happy planning.